Step into the future of travel with Honest Auto Wheels, where today we take you inside the all-new 2026 Kenworth T2000 next-level futuristic luxury motorhome, a machine that is rewriting the very definition of what it means to live on wheels. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just carry you from point A to point B, but one that transforms every journey into a first-class lifestyle experience, blending the raw power of a legendary Kenworth with the sophistication of a rolling five-star suite. From the moment your eyes lock onto its sleek aerodynamic body, sculpted with futuristic curves and bold LED lighting, you know this is not just another motorhome. It is a mobile mansion designed for those who want power, presence, and perfection all in one. The exterior commands attention with chrome accents, a towering grille, and a stance that looks as if it belongs in both a sci-fi movie and on the open highway. Step inside and you're greeted by a living space unlike anything you've ever seen before. The designers have fused cutting-edge technology with elegance, creating a cabin that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Leather seating with smart climate controls, mood lighting that adapts to your style, and panoramic digital windows that can display real-time views or transform into cinematic screens all surround you in a cocoon of comfort. The bedroom area is spacious with a queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, ambient lights, and storage designed to feel invisible, giving you the luxury of space even while traveling. The kitchen takes things further with a futuristic induction cooking system, smart refrigerator, and robotic assist features that make preparing meals effortless. The bathroom is more spa than restroom, with rainfall showers, touch-controlled mirrors, and self-cleaning systems. Every detail whispers innovation and extravagance. Under the hood, the 2026 T2000 boasts a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain delivering unmatched power with surprising efficiency, giving you long-haul capability while remaining eco-conscious. Advanced autonomous driving tech offers semi-self-driving features, making long trips more relaxed while still keeping the driver in ultimate control. Safety is on another level with AI-powered sensors monitoring the road, predicting hazards, and assisting in every situation. This is not just a motorhome, it's the future of road travel brought to life. With the Kenworth T2000 Futuristic Motorhome, luxury and adventure merge into one unstoppable force. If you crave freedom without sacrificing comfort, this is the ultimate choice. So what do you think? Does this redefine your vision of road luxury? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Honest Auto Wheels for more groundbreaking reviews of the world's most exciting rides.